Hi, congratulations on your upcoming O.A.R.S trip. Since our start in 1969, we've known the best way to have a great outdoor experience is by being well prepared. For that reason, O.A.R.S has designed a before you go document for each of our adventures. You will find it on our website or linked in your trip confirmation email. The document includes packing lists, weather information, an itinerary, and other useful details. Access the before you go document for your trip and use it in tandem with the following instructions. River days start with a swimming layer. This can be a swimsuit or quick dry clothing because even if you're not jumping in, some whitewater rapids will leave you equally soaked. Your next river layer depends on that day's weather. If you're looking ahead to a sunny day, reach for breathable, sun-protecting layers like polyester blends. Many of our guides cover their arms and thighs to protect themselves from the sun. Finish up with a sun-blocking hat that will fit under your helmet and sunglasses with a retention strap for those random gusts of wind or fortuitous waves. And finally, your feet should be treated to a tennis shoe, water shoe, or sandal with an ankle strap and a non-slip sole. You need a lightweight shoe that will stay on your feet even when submerged in moving water. And always remember to break them in before your river trip. When the weather isn't warm, add a synthetic or wool layer to your swimming layer for insulation. And make sure you aren't wearing any cotton, as even a small underwear layer can chill you when wet. Thermal pants, a fleece sweater, and a wool hat are our recommendations. Additionally, on cold weather trips, O.A.R.S will offer you a wetsuit and/or a splash jacket to wear with your insulating layers. To prevent cold feet, bring wetsuit booties, neoprene socks, or wool socks to wear under your river shoe for an added buffer against the cold. Once you have checked the weather and decided how many layers you need, the next step is to pack your essentials. Each whitewater rafter should have a durable water bottle, as consistent hydration is absolutely crucial to having a happy, healthy, and safe river trip, and should be with you all day to combat the dehydrating effects of wind, sun, and exercise. Next, make sure to bring sunscreen and lip balm to reapply during the day. If you would like to bring a camera on your river trip, we highly recommend that you choose a waterproof camera or waterproof case with a short leash or strap. Final tips. O.A.R.S does not recommend bringing any item that cannot get splashed or soaked. Leave your valuables behind. Jewelry and other unnecessary accessories will not add to the fun, especially if they fall off in a big wave. Always bring your vital medications like EpiPens or an inhaler. Ask your river guide for the safest place to keep these. Bring something dry to wear and leave it in your car to change into for a comfortable ride home. The foundation of a great river trip starts with comfortable, appropriate gear. We all have different preferences as well as hot and cold tolerance levels. O.A.R.S therefore encourages you to read through your trip-specific before you go information, check the weather forecast prior to departure, and keep our recommendations in mind. Can't wait to see you on the river.